Welcome to Fun with ABCs. Hello, little friends. I'm Mimi, and today we're visiting a farm. Do you know what lives on a farm? That's right, farm animals. Let's go meet them. Horse, the fast runner. Look at this strong, fast friend. It's a horse. Horse, horse say, neigh. Can you gallop like a horse? Next animal is cow. It's a cow. Cows give us milk and say, moo, moo. Can you say moo like a cow? Let's try. Moo! Our next farm animal is sheep. The fluffy friend sheep says, ba, ba. Sheep give us warm wool. Can you say ba like a sheep? Ba, ba, ba. Our next farm animal is pig. The mud lover. Oink, oink. Pigs love playing in mud. Can you snort like a pig? Oink, oink. Here comes our next farm animal. Chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens lay yummy eggs. Can you flap your arms like a chicken? Flap. Here is our next farm animal. Duck, the water friend. Quack, quack. Can you make a duck sound? Quack, quack. Good job, kids. Here is Turkey, the gobble, gobble bird. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Wow, look at those feathers. Can you say gobble, gobble like a turkey? Good job. Here is next animal goat, the mountain climber. Ma, ma. Goats love to climb. Can you hop like a goat? Hop, hop, hop. Dog. This is a dog. Dog says woof, woof. Farm dogs help farmers. Let's all bark like a dog. Woof, woof. Next animal is cat. Meow, meow. Farm cats chase mice. Can you say meow like a kitty? Goose, the loud honker. Honk, honk. Goose honks are loud. Let's say honk, honk together. Rabbit the quick hopper. Rabbits love to hop. Let's all hop like a bunny. Great job, little farmers. I'll see you next time for more fun learning. Booze bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more fun videos.